Libra, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a monthly reading for September. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly jump in and see what this particular month has in store for you. The first card that I see for you is 10 of Wands, 4 of Pentacles, and the Sun card. Person B here has the 7 of Wands, 7 of Cups, and the World card. We'll also see what is the mutual feeling both of you have, what is the blockage in the relationship, and what is the outcome of this relationship. Bottom of the deck, I have the Ace of Wands, which means that one of you or maybe both of you are looking at a new start, but you're focusing more on the physical appearance of the person instead of seeing whether you are compatible or not, and whether you both have emotions for each other or not. Now what I see from the first set of cards is that you have the 10 of Wands with the 4 of Pentacles. 10 of Wands means that you are suppressed, exhausted. You feel that you're the only one putting in effort in this relationship. This person is not interested. They don't put in any effort, okay? And you are kind of a little bit disappointed with this entire thing. You feel that you just putting in so much and there's no return on the effort. So there's no return on investment as such for you. You don't see them doing anything. Now with that, you will move to the miser energy with the 4 of Pentacles, wherein you will stop putting in energy, effort. You will not even share your finances. Anything that you were sharing with this other person, you'll stop doing it immediately. And from there, you will move to the Sun energy, which means that you will focus more on yourself. You will try to make yourself much better. Everything that you were doing for this relationship and this person, you stop putting in that effort and you focus on yourself, and that's what people will notice, that you will shine much more brightly because now you're focusing on your own self. This is something that I always say is, please make sure that you love yourself first in order for somebody else to love you, okay? So then person B here, they have the 7 of Wands with 7 of Cups, which means that they are quite stressed out. It could be because they are dealing with a lot of people with the 7 of Cups, okay, and that is what is causing them stress. The third card that I see for them is the World card. They understand that they can't continue like this. They can't be this, person who flirts around with everybody, okay? So they will have to stop this. They will have to change their behavior. Now let's also quickly see what is the mutual feeling that both of you have. That's the 2 of Cups. That's a very positive card because 2 of Cups means that both of you have feelings for each other. Both of you feel that this is your soulmate. You would want to go ahead and connect with this person, eventually build this relationship and take it towards marriage and commitment. Let's see what is the blockage in the relationship. So the blockage that I see is the Ace of Cups, which means that both of you need a new beginning and you're not willing to put in the effort, or maybe you both have, decided that things can't improve, and that's the challenge, because all that is required is a new beginning for both of you, okay? Just go ahead and try this one more time and maybe things will work out. Now let's also see what is the outcome. Now that's the Hierophant card, which is Taurus energy. It means marriage and commitment, okay? So don't lose hope because maybe things went downhill right now. It's just that maybe it's a testing time for both of you. Now let's quickly see what is the intention of this person for you for this particular month. The first one is Page of Wands, 8 of Pentacles, and 4 of Pentacles again. Now Page of Wands again is a very immature energy. Like I said, with Wands they're focusing more on the physical appearance but not looking at long term or emotions. With 8 of Pentacles, this person understands that they will have to put in the effort, okay? However, if they don't see some kind of reciprocation of that effort that they are putting in, they will quickly move into that miser energy again with 4 of Pentacles. Now let's also go ahead and quickly see what is the message from the Moonology Oracle cards for both of you. So the message that I see is, don't let your past hold you back. If there was a situation or an experience that you had in the past and because of which you're holding yourself, don't do it, okay? That's the advice for both of you. Let's quickly see what is the message from archangels and a crystal that can also help you in the situation. So the crystal that I see for you is bitterside. The crystal message is, are you aware of everything that is going on around you? Take the time for some inner reflection. Improve your ability to notice when people are true to their word. Everything is not always as it seems. Have confidence in your intuitive sight. Now, there's also a message here from Archangel Raziel. I'll put that in the description box for you. You can read it from there. That's all that I have for you for this video. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.